So here is my thesis on the Meta stock and the recent rally that like took place in the last few days after the earnings. So I was investing in Meta since like it was $100, $100 per share. And if you don't believe me or something, I have my brokerage link in the description, so you can check it because it's a public available information. It's nothing to hide. And at the time, everybody was saying Mark Zuckerberg is an idiot. He doesn't know how to run a business, even if he's the genius that created that business in the first place. But whatever. And the concern was real because like the free cash flow was going down almost to zero. He was the expenses was increasing, and the revenue kind of stagnate and going down a little bit. But this is normal business cycle. I mean, you have good year, you have bad years, but overall, I think Meta, it's one of the best business in the world, better than Tesla, better than Apple, better than Microsoft, you name it. So this is the thing. They making a lot of money in free cash flow. Lately, they buying back shares and they announce a dividend, which it's up. It beside the point. The dividend, it doesn't really matter at this point if they pay dividend or not. Taking considering that it's 300% up, and yeah, dividend is good because now lately Zuckerberg was keep selling shares, because if you don't get the salary and if you don't get a dividend, where do you get the money from? So he was selling slowly selling his shares, but because like everybody needs money, right? And now maybe because of this dividend he will stop selling shares and you will use this money from the dividend. However, the metaverse is in his infancy. I mean, it's not 100% sure, but I believe that metaverse will work out for him, and the money that's spending is justified. Also, they force Apple to come with their own headset. So if you're forcing the biggest company on the planet to do what you're doing, it's something. So if Apple see it, it will be kind of something in the future. They jump in. So I think this is a good sign. Also, I believe that they don't have to make money on their headsets. Think about like Google. Google doesn't make any money on the phones or on the hardware that Samsung and Apple selling. They make money on that, so it will be the same thing. They can give away for free their headsets, or basically at the break-even point forever. They don't have to make any money, and they'll make the money on the advertise they'll sell in the metaverse itself. So that will be a big selling point for me. Another thing, Threads, which is the ex-competitor, is not yet monetized. So if you go on Threads, you're not gonna see any ads, only posts. So again, there will be another good source of revenue for them. And yeah, so the monthly user increasing, the daily user is increasing. So everybody's saying this platform is that, is not that at all. So if you have increasing users, is not that. And if you compare like Meta with Twitter, or with no, with X, or with let's say what else, Snapchat, Pinterest, all these bullshit other social platforms, if you check, they're all unprofitable. They're worth billions, but they are unprofitable. Like Snapchat, it's absolutely a worthless company that they never make any money. It doesn't mean they're not gonna make in the future, but if you check the valuation, it's absolutely nonsense to me. Um, yeah, um, I think Meta will be strong in the future, or at least for the next few years. Now the PE ratio is like 30 or something, 35, but the forward PE ratio is like 27, 26. So the analyst will project even more increase in earning in the future. So yeah, it's slightly overvalued. I'm not gonna say at this price is not. It's slightly overvalued, but I think if they can deliver next quarter again some strong results, the stock will stay there. Is not, maybe it will be a little bit of correction, whatever, but it will stay roughly at this price, roughly at, like, I don't know, 450. It's not gonna drop below 400 regardless what will happen. It's not gonna drop. It's not gonna happen, or at least for in the short period of time. But for a long period of time, I will think will go even higher than where it is now, because I think Zuckerberg will deliver. He's, in my opinion, is a genius. It's way better than Elon Musk. Forget Elon Musk. It's Zuckerberg is a genius that nobody gives credit to him. So yeah, when he bought like Instagram for $1 billion, everybody said pay too much. It's crazy, and probably now only Instagram is worth 100 or $200 billion easily. So yeah, for those of you that don't know me, I leave a link, like I said, in the description of my eToro account. You can check my portfolio there. You can copy if you want, if you can follow me, whatever. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.